Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share two parts. The first part is ever since I uploaded the Chanel 21B new collection shopping vlog, a lot of people text me, ask me certain items, how to get it, where to get it. So in today's video, I will share with you. The second part is I will give you a preview of the Chanel 2022 cruise. And in the same time, I also will share with you how to use their website to find out the next season. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first part, we are going to talk about the question that a lot of people ask me because they saw a lot of items in my local boutique and they couldn't find it from theirs. Okay, so here is the only one tip that I can give you is what I'm using. Why every time if I want something, I always can get it. First of all, I really have very good SA. I have a very good relationship with this SA, even though I do have other SA, but I stick with this one. I started collecting Chanel over 10 years, so I haven't do the Chanel collection yet. I will do very soon. I already filmed it. So when you need a certain items, the first and the most important thing is you need to find out the first launch date. Why is this important? Because Chanel, they actually can take the pre-order. It's not like a Louis Vuitton right now, they cannot take a pre-order. Chanel still can take a pre-order. So what is the time frame that you can do the pre-order? Normally is if you know the first launch date, 2 weeks ahead, you can start to pre-order. Once you pre-order your SA, write down the item you wanted. She will report to her manager and she will get it from her manager proof, and that item is most likely you will get it. Also, first come first serve, so you need to know very earlier, before someone else. Each store, they have the limited quantity of the handbags, so especially for the popular handbags, it's very hard to get it. 2 weeks ahead before the first launch date, you need to book with your SA. So that's the only thing that you can make sure you will get the item. Very simple, and just needed to keep in mind when is the launch date. So we will talk about the second part is how to use the Chanel website. Honestly, I am not very happy with their website. Their website is not so easy to use, not like a Dior and Louis Vuitton. When you open, you search item, you right away it will pop up in front of you. But Chanel website all over the place, so you really have no idea, and then sometimes you get so frustrated you just give up. So I just tell you very simple things that you can do is when you open the chanel.com, you will see on the left side there was fashion. Hit that button on the fashion, and they will showing you what's in boutique, what is season now, what is the upcoming season. So they always have two parts. One is the past season and the one is the upcoming season. In the latest show column, you will see there was 2 seasons there. One is the one it's going to be next month, which is for winter act 2 at 21K. It's gonna come. So in their website, you also know the approximate time is a month of the September, so you're gonna expect it. And the other one is the cruise. This is a 2022 cruise, which is gonna be on the end of the November or beginning of the December. They will come out. However, those both show already is public. Today I'm gonna show you the cruise. If you click this one, you will see a lot of the videos, because this one that already happened this year on May in Paris. They already show on the fashion show, so a lot of people already see the handbags, the accessories, and also ready to wear. A lot of things already show up. So Chanel, they don't hide it or don't want people know what is gonna come. They, of course, they already public in their official website, even though it's not so much information of the handbags, but more or less you can see some of the very unique new design they will show on their website. This is the way they always do. They always give you 2 seasons ahead of the time, so you have an idea what is next season is gonna come and what is you expected. Next part is in boutique, which is they have the previous seasons what's in boutique, so you can still see those items. So that's the thing I want to show you, so you have some idea, some time frame on your mind. So if you need to something, you know, you can reserve from your SA. So the next thing I want to show you is I've been working on that for the whole week to collect everything and put them together. It's about like 5 minutes and show you from the ready to wear to the accessories. Last part, of course, is the handbags for the cruise 2022. If you like to, I highly recommend it. Please watch to the end. You will find a lot of eye candies and you can have some preparation for your next order. So that's all about today's video, and if you have any question, feel free to DM me, ask me, and I'm very happy to answer your questions. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you very soon.